everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 30 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are trying out the last one in the Masqueology Color Shine Peel Off Face Mask. So if you haven't seen the other two yet, we did those on the 28th and 29th. Please go check those out. I will have them linked below and they will also be at the end of this video. So today we are doing the silver one. The silver one is for dark spots and dullness. It says the silver peel off mask is designed to brighten the skin, reducing the appearance of redness and dullness, giving the skin a bright and even complexion. Directions say to apply a thin layer over the entire face, avoiding eyebrow and hairline. If you haven't watched the other videos, we've already talked about how it should say eyebrows and not eyebrow. And it says to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes until completely dry and then peel off. The key ingredients in this one are pearl extract and niacinamide. Niacinamide, I think is how you pronounce it. So, and then it has other ingredients as well, but we won't go over those. If you don't know, I'm actually filming these back to back, so I am pre-filming because I will be out of town when these go up, and I want to make sure that I have videos for you. So I actually have done these two already before filming this one that we're currently doing like right now. So my face is kind of feeling it a little bit. We've already done two peel off masks back to back. I did spray my face after this last one with a little bit of coconut water and let that dry. So it's pretty good that this last one says that it helps reduce the appearance of redness because I'm going to need it. Although I don't know how a peel off mask can help you with redness because after you peel it off, the face is probably going to be red no matter how many times you've just done one. But we're going to give it a shot. So we've got the last one to do here. I've got my little bowl and my applicator, and this will be the last time this applicator is getting used because as I have washed it the last two times, I am noticing that the bristles are coming off. You can kind of see that there. So this is goodbye, my friend. I will have to go pick up a new one. Alright, so this is all of the product. I have stated in the other videos that I do not feel like they give you a whole lot. I wish they gave you just a little bit more, but we've been making it work. Probably just run to Walmart or Target tomorrow and get myself a new one. This is like an old e.l.f. brush. It's supposed to be a foundation brush, and it never really used it for foundation, and then it broke off, and I glued it back on, and it broke off again, and now I just keep the little part that you actually need. I don't know, I think the handle got tossed eventually. But it's done pretty good. I've had it for several years, so. I always like to buy the e.l.f. flat kabuki brush, and I had to probably buy a new one of those every year because they, I don't know, the bristles just kind of start coming off of them after a while. But that's okay because e.l.f. brushes are inexpensive, so I'm okay with that. That'll be the same with this. I've had this for many years though. We're okay. Okay, so I pretty much got it all out of there. I'm going to go ahead and set the timer for the 30 minutes. Alright, so the timer is set. We will come back in 30 minutes and peel it off. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 30 minutes and it's time to take this mask off. I just want to say that the silverness of this is quite disappointing. It's more like a dull silver / gray color. The Glam Glow silver mask is way more vibrant than this. So I feel like out of all three of them, I like the gold one the best. I thought that had the best color to it. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, this one's breaking apart. Sometimes you just get a rip. Ooh. Yeah, that fell apart. So yeah, that came off in 2 pieces. And my face officially hurts. So there is a lot of stuff left over on this one. I can see it around here, around my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and get that wiped off. Alright, so we got all of it off now. The claims of this one is that it helps with dark spots and dullness. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of redness and dullness while brightening the skin. I mean, I do look brighter. I probably should, since I used 3 peel-off masks in a row. I should have taken off a lot of dead skin, so definitely feel brighter. I'm going to have to moisturize. That's a for sure. Really need to moisturize. I feel really dried out right now, so I need some moisture in my skin. I guess I don't look as red as I thought I was going to look, so that's good. But other than that, I really don't think these masks did a whole lot. They were fun, and I would recommend doing each one individually and not back to back like I did, or at least spreading them out throughout the day so you're not like just ripping your skin off one after another. But I thought it was, I still stick to this fact that I think it's really cool that you get 3 of them in one. I think for $2.50 that's a great deal. Once again, I do wish they would give you just a little bit more product in them. But yeah, that's everything for this mask. So if you have tried any of these out yet, or if you're going to go pick them up, please comment down below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And we've got one more video. Tomorrow is October 31st. It is Halloween. That'll be our last FACEMASKTOBER video. Until then, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.